Arch Linux versus Windows 10. Which operating system is better? Choosing the right operating system can completely change how you experience computing without unnecessary complications. Arch Linux offers customization while Windows 10 provides user-friendly features. Arch Linux and Windows 10 are two popular operating systems with very different approaches. Arch Linux is a lightweight, customizable Linux distro focused on user control, while Windows 10 emphasizes ease of use and broad hardware compatibility. The core difference is flexibility versus accessibility. Arch Linux is a minimalist, rolling release Linux distribution designed for users who want complete control over their system. It works by providing a base system that users build upon, installing only the software they need through its package manager, Pacman. This approach allows for a highly customized environment tailored to specific needs. Arch Linux's strengths include its simplicity in design, up-to-date software, and a strong community that maintains extensive documentation known as the Arch Wiki. However, it requires technical knowledge to install and maintain, as it lacks a graphical installer and automated updates, making it less beginner-friendly. Its rolling release model means software is continuously updated, which can occasionally introduce instability. Arch Linux is ideal for advanced users, developers, and enthusiasts who want a lean, customizable operating system and are comfortable managing system configurations and troubleshooting. Windows 10 is a widely used operating system developed by Microsoft, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive hardware and software support. It works by offering a pre-configured environment with regular updates, a graphical interface, and built-in tools like Cortana, Microsoft Edge, and Windows Defender. Windows 10's strengths lie in its compatibility with a vast range of applications and devices, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals. It also provides easy access to gaming, productivity software, and enterprise features. However, Windows 10 can be resource heavy, requiring more system resources compared to lightweight Linux distributions. It also includes telemetry and background services that some users may find intrusive. Windows 10 is ideal for users who want a ready-to-use system with minimal setup, strong software ecosystem support, and reliable performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and professional use. When comparing Arch Linux and Windows 10, the choice depends on your priorities. Arch Linux excels in customization and control, perfect for users who want to tailor every aspect of their OS and stay on the cutting edge with rolling updates. It shines in programming and server environments but requires technical expertise and time investment. Windows 10 offers a polished, user-friendly experience with broad software compatibility and strong support for gaming and everyday productivity. It's better suited for users who prefer convenience and stability out of the box. The trade-off is that Windows 10 demands more system resources and limits customization compared to Arch Linux. In real-world use, Arch Linux appeals to power users who enjoy hands-on management, while Windows 10 serves those valuing ease and broad application support. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control over your system, enjoy customizing every detail, and have the technical skills to manage it effectively. Windows 10 is the better choice for users seeking a stable, easy-to-use operating system with extensive software and hardware support. It delivers a seamless experience for everyday computing, gaming, and professional work, making it the ideal option for most users.